Today I'm going to show you how to insert a watermark in Google Docs. It's super easy. You can see I have my Google Doc open. I'm going to click on Insert and scroll down to Watermark. I can choose to watermark with an image or with text. In this case, I'm going with text, and let's say draft. And I'm done. It's that simple. For more executive assistant tips, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, become an EA How To Plus member. EA How To Plus gives you access to brilliant EA How To webinars, as well as our incredible private community. The EA How To community really is the best, most supportive, and genuinely useful global community of assistants. I know I would be lost without them. To become a member, visit eahowto.com/EA How To Plus or click the link in the video description. Bye for now.